Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best Apple TV 4K experience you can get right now. The Apple TV 4K HD 32GB streaming media player with Dolby Digital and Siri Remote. Model MQD22LL-A, renewed. Let's get straight into why this device still holds its place as a top-tier streaming option. Right out of the box, this Apple TV 4K model delivers a premium entertainment experience. Although this is a renewed version, it still packs the same hardware and performance you'd expect from Apple. At its heart is the powerful A10X Fusion chip, which ensures smooth navigation, fast app launches, and excellent performance when streaming high-quality content or running apps from the App Store. The main highlight here is the 4K resolution with high dynamic range support, both Dolby Vision and HDR10. That means stunning picture clarity, deep blacks, and vibrant colors that really pop, especially on compatible TVs. Whether you're watching your favorite shows on Apple TV+, Netflix, Disney+, or other services, the visual experience is crisp, fluid, and immersive. Now let's talk sound. You get Dolby Digital plus 7.1 surround sound, which brings a cinematic audio experience into your living room. Paired with the visual capabilities, this makes for an excellent home theater setup, especially if you connect it to an audio system that can take advantage of the surround output. Controlling the Apple TV is a breeze with the included Siri Remote. Voice search feels natural. You simply press the microphone button and ask for the movie, show, or actor you want to watch. Whether you want to open apps, rewind a few seconds, or check the weather, Siri can handle it hands-free. Even though this model comes with 32GB of storage, it's more than enough for streaming-focused users. You can download a decent amount of apps and games without worrying about running out of space. The wireless connectivity is solid too. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi, which gives it a more stable internet connection even in larger homes or more crowded network environments. No one likes buffering, and with this model, you're less likely to deal with it. Another benefit is the HDMI support, standard, yes, but essential. Just plug it into any HDMI-compatible TV and you're good to go. And being an Apple product, you also get full integration with the Apple ecosystem. If you're an iPhone or iPad user, you'll love how AirPlay lets you stream photos, videos, and even games right from your device to the big screen. Now here's the kicker. This renewed version typically retails for $156. But right now it's available for around $109. That's a 29% discount, which is a great value for a premium Apple device that delivers on both performance and quality. One important note for international buyers. This product may not ship to all locations, such as India. So if you're outside the US, be sure to double-check delivery options or look for alternative sellers. If you're looking for a high-quality, reliable, and fast media streaming box with all the Apple ecosystem perks, voice control, and top-tier audio-visual performance, this is an excellent pick, especially at the discounted renewed price. And that wraps up our look at what we believe is the best Apple TV 4K option out there today. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next product breakdown. This is Product Critique, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.